Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Unique, and today I will be showing you how I formulate my curl and twist cream, which is available for purchase on my website at uniquetrenade.com, and I will leave the details in the description box down below. Here I have my emulsifying wax, oils, and butters. The emulsifying wax is the key agent to mixing the water phase. Here I have my guar gum and my humectant, which is glycerin. I'm going to mix these two together to create a slurry that will be easier to mix into the water phase. Here I have my fragrance and preservative, which are heat sensitive, and they will be added in the cool down phase. So I'm going to put them off to the side. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and heat my oil and water phase up, and I'm going to mix the glycerin and guar gum together. So I went ahead and I mixed the guar gum and glycerin together, and I have my oil and water heated up. So what I'm going to do now is add the glycerin and guar gum mixture to the water phase. Once we have these two ingredients incorporated into the water, we're gonna go ahead and pour the water phase into the oil phase. And the reason you wanna pour the water into the oil phase and not the other way around is because the oils can cool down faster, and then they will stick to the sides of the container. Once we have these ingredients all incorporated together, I'm gonna get my immersion blender out, and then we're gonna get everything mixed up really well. You wanna use the immersion blender because it helps to make sure that the water and the oil phase are combined together really well, and that your formulation does not destabilize. Here I am using my immersion blender to make sure that all of my ingredients are incorporated really well, so my final product does not destabilize. So you're gonna wanna mix with this for a few minutes just to make sure it's mixed really well. And then we're going to take the temperature because we still have to add our fragrance and preservative. So now I'm taking the temperature. You want to make sure that your temperature is 150 or below, depending on the preservative that you will be using, because if you use it past the recommended temperature, like if the temperature is too high, it can destabilize your formula, and then the final product is no good because you risk growing mold or bacteria in your product. The temperature was a little under 150, so now it's safe for me to add my preservative and fragrance. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that in really well. And since this particular batch that I'm making today is for personal use, I'm going to package it and everything off camera. If you would like to see a future video of how I label and package my products, please leave it down in the comments below, and also feel free to leave any other video suggestions that you would like to see in the future. And if you made it this far in the video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.